Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. Just want to make a quick video to go over Home Depot. We had a trade here in one of our alert services from a few days ago. We were long from roughly the 343 area, and we've caught this up move ever since then. And we're now triggering a bull flag today as well. So we're looking to see if we can get higher prices going into next week. We do need to get above the 359 area and 360 area if we're going to keep moving higher. But overall, it was a very good trade. We hit both our targets and had a profitable trade, so I'm happy with it. If you like these kinds of trade setups and you want to check out our trading rooms, we do offer a $7 1-month access trial, and you can check that out if you go to support@basecamptrading.com. If you just send them an email, they can provide you with more information. But until next time, have a nice day, everybody.